I have arrived. Webster Lake. Why am I here? My dad wanted me to come here because my great-grandfather had a house within walking distance to this lake. And my dad thinks this is the spot to catch a good fish. So, that's why I'm here. Fulfill my dad's lifelong dream of watching me fish Webster Lake, probably unsuccessful. Oh, did I mention? No, I didn't. It's Halloween, October 31st. It's supposed to be 70 degrees, and I can feel it warming up already. All right. There we go. That's better. Still see me? Yeah, no problem. So I just got a bite. Something was really slowly messing with it. I'm just going to toss that back out near the rock. Situation I'm in right here. It says I'm in 30 feet of water. There's a rock sticking. So I'm figuring the fish are related to the rock because the rock holds heat. Structure in the middle of 30 feet of water. 20 to 30 feet. Shallower this way, deeper this way. Oh, geez, it's all squigged up. There we go. I'm going to toss up on the side of the rock. Let's see if I can reposition myself. I'm out here what's known as doo-doo rock. It's covered in bird poop. Doo-doo, baby. So I think the rock goes like this. That's why I'm throwing it over there. Huh? That was a fish. Jesus, Dad. I think that might just be further out. Just a bit. Might be more in the spot of where I wanted it. Maybe just set that down and watch the line. Well, doo-doo rock hasn't paid off yet. I got like one nibble over here. So I'm going to check out. There's an island across the way here. Well, I think I made it to the island my dad was talking about. It's more just a rock island. A little bit bigger than doo-doo rock. I'm going to throw a jerkbait. Deep diving jerkbait, like 12 feet. See if I can get anything to whack it.